What a wonderful world, my darling. Such a beautiful thing was starting. What a wonderful world, but we're partying. We're partying. Birds in the sky, you passing by. When I'm with you, there's nothing else I wanna do. Oh, baby. 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 Oh, baby. Birds in the sky, you passing by. When I'm with you, there's nothing else I wanna do. Oh, baby. 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 Oh, baby. What a wonderful world, my darling.
No soy traficante, pero escucho corridos que juegan tomando Tecate. Ya dímelo antes. Ya si quieres dinero, lo siento, no tengo. She take my dinero, take my dinero. She take my dinero, take my dinero.
Alexa, pause. Alexa, party mode. Alexa, stop the show. Alexa, turn all the lights off. Alexa, turn all the lights on. Alexa, turn the TV off.
Okay, this is a quick 30-second review of my new Echo Pop. As you can see, it's a good size, probably about the size of the palm of my hand. The colour is great. It's like a light purple, really cool. You can see that the wire is white, if that's useful. Yeah, so a good size. It's got good sound. Here, I'll show you this. Alexa, play Coldplay.
Shuffling Coldplay and similar artists on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. As you can see from that demo, it's got good sound, it's got depth. It's a nice piece of kit. It's probably more for a bedroom or an office. I probably wouldn't have that in my kitchen where I'd have the Echo Show because you've got the Ring doorbell app on that one. Yeah, it's a great piece of kit. You can see the volume here and the mute button. The one thing that is annoying is that sometimes this bar flashes, which if you've got it in an office can be a bit distracting. But other than that, I love it. I got it at a great price. I'd actually say this is probably the best Echo in terms of value for money that we've ever bought. So we've got a lot of these, but this is up there with one of the best. So hope this helps, and just click if it's helpful.
Alexa, rap for me.
Hey there. Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game, get organized or be surprised, just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games, weather skills and Easter eggs. Get the news, cranks and tunes, hear the score. Wait, there's more. Link me to your calendar, I won't lead you astray. I'm here to save the day. I can bust a rhyme. Call me anytime.
Alexa, volume up. Alexa, stop. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. The Oreo cookie first hit the shops on this day in 1912. Since then, over 500 billion have been sold, enough to stretch to the moon and back 5 times. I'm more of a Hobnobs fan myself.
Alexa, next track.
This is what we're going to try and get you moving on this one. It's a number recorded by Bob Seger. Number called Rose.
Alexa, play Praise by Elevation Worship.
Here's Praise by Elevation Worship, featuring Brandon Lake, Chris Brown, Chandler Moore, on Amazon Music.
Let's go. 1, 2,
Alexa, play Baby Shark.
You can play your family's favorite songs anytime you like with Amazon Music Unlimited.
Alexa,
Amazon Music
stop.
Unlimited on this Echo is free
Alexa,
for 30 days. And
stop.
here's some music for you based on Baby Shark by Pink Fong on Amazon Music.
Alexa, continue with the music. Where is it? Oh, tucked up there.
Alexa, what's the time now?
It's 11:06 a.m.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:20 a.m.
Alexa, what's the time?
It's 10:52 a.m.
So long